Hi, my name is Skip Moratzka. I'm the president of Intelligent NanoFiber. We are a nano solutions company based here in Aggieland. What we are doing at Intelligent NanoFiber is we are focusing on big problems and trying to create solutions by focusing on small, and small being nano. In this case, we have a patented process that creates a nanomaterial from polypropylene that has a number of uses. As an oil sorbent, it is unmatched in the industry. It absorbs about 3 times the oil as any of our nearest competitors. That's largely because it has 3 times the surface area based upon our diameter of fiber is about 300 nanometers, which is about 1/3 of anybody else in this space. It's a hyperblown process and it's patented. And you can see that it is very quickly absorbing all the oil. You'll notice that if you've ever used any of our competitors' products, it takes a while for the oil to soak in, but not with Infysorb. It readily eats up that oil, and it will also remain totally buoyant in the water while it soaks up all the oil from the water, because it's totally hydrophobic. So as an oil sorbent, it's very effective, and really it's unmatched in the space. Another use for an Infysorb is it's a great water vapor barrier. This is not even treated. This is just a straight sheet of our fabric, very thin. But our process creates a non-woven mesh. So it's very good at keeping, you'll see, all that water in. It is also pretty darn effective as a self-healing membrane. So if you had, say, crop holes that you put seeds into, and you want to keep your precious water from escaping, you could use Infysorb because it creates a pretty effective mesh that, you can say I jab a hole in here. Jab a bunch of holes in the material. That water is not escaping at all because these fibers readily stick to each other and create a self-healing mesh. Now that I've shown the oil sorbency and the water vapor barrier, there are 2 other aspects of Intelligent NanoFiber, in particular our Infysorb, that are very important. One, it's a fantastic thermal insulative barrier. We've had a lot of interest from builders about using this material inside buildings as an alternative to, like, say, spray foam insulation. It is also an excellent air filtration medium. We have tested very, very thin sheets of this material in a mask form, and it achieved 99.971% filter efficiency for COVID. So that is definitely a viable option for us. And one last metric that is very important to consider when looking at our material. We already showed you 3 times more effective as an oil sorbent than our competitors, but our process uses 50% less plastic and 50% less power, making it a very green microplastic. And we are very committed to bettering the environment and making sure we're not making it worse in the process by adding more plastic. We're actually looking at ways of reducing plastic and reducing carbon footprint by the power required to produce it. Thank you.